Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to download and use Photopea on your Mac. Photopea is a powerful online photo editor, similar to Photoshop, and you can use it directly in your browser without installing anything. Let's get started. First, open Safari on your Mac. In the address bar at the top, type photopea.com and press enter. Once the website loads, Photopea will open instantly. You can now start editing your photos right away. Now, if you want to use Photopea like an app, you can add it to your dock. Click on File in the top menu bar, then select Add to Dock. A pop-up will appear. You can rename it if you want, then click Add. Now, Photopea will appear in your dock and open in its own window, just like a regular app. And that's it. That's how to download and use Photopea on your Mac using Safari. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.